Good day, everyone. Today, we are eager to share the results of our final output in data analysis. Our topic is the relationship between study hours and exam scores in intervention for calculus among engineering students. In this short presentation, we'll show you how we gathered our data, analyzed it using Microsoft Excel, and what we discovered about how study habits affect exam performance. To start, we created a Google form and collected responses from 40 engineering students currently enrolled in intervention for core calculus. The question focused on how long they study each day when they usually start reviewing before exams and their latest exam scores. Our goal was simple, to find out if spending more time studying truly leads to higher grades. After gathering all responses, we cleaned and organized the data in Excel. We converted all time-based answers like 1 hour and 30 minutes into numerical values such as 1.5. This step was important so that Excel could properly process and analyze the data later on. Next, we enabled the data analysis toolpack in Excel and selected regression analysis. In the setup, we place the student's exam score as a hour-dependent variable, that's the Y range, and their average study hours as the independent variable, or the X range. We use a 0.05 level of significance, which means we're 95% confident in our result. Once everything was ready, we click OK and Excel automatically generated our statistical output. For the result and interpretation, here's what we found. The correlation coefficient, or R, tells us the strength and direction of the relationships between study hours and exam scores. Our R value was 0.4424, which indicates a positive relationship, meaning as students study longer, their exam scores also tend to increase. The R squared value was 0.1958, meaning that roughly R squared times 100 is the percentage of the changes in exam scores can be explained by how long the student studied. Lastly, our p-value was 0.004247766, which is less than 0.05, confirming that our results are statistically significant. To simply put, the data proves that consistent and longer study sessions make a measurable difference in performance. To sum up, our study revealed a strong and meaningful connection between study hours and exam performance in intervention for calculus. This shows that dedicating more time to review, especially with focus and consistency, can truly help improve academic results. We learned that success in challenging subjects like calculus doesn't come overnight. It's built one study hour at a time. Guide question number 1. How did you come up with the idea? How did you plan your task? Did you get any help or support? Our answer: we came up with the idea after realizing that many students struggle with managing their study time in calculus. We wanted to find out if there was real evidence that studying longer helps improve performance. As a group, we divided our tasks from making the Google form, gathering responses, and organizing the data to analyzing it in Excel. We also sought guidance from our instructors' recorded lecture on correlation and regression to ensure we applied the right statistical test. For the number 2, what challenges did you encounter? One of the biggest challenges was learning how to use Excel's data analysis toolpack correctly, especially setting the right ranges for regression. We also had to make sure that our data was clean and valid before analysis, which took time and teamwork. For the number 3, what were your individual contributions? Each member had a specific role. One prepared the Google form, others gathered and encoded the data, while another handled the Excel analysis and interpretation. We all collaborated in discussing the results and preparing the script for this video presentation.